Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are presenting some OI words sounding as an OI. So we have oil, boil, soil, foil, coil, toil, join, coin, spoil, moist, hoist. Let us find some OI words in this picture. We have soil, coin, foil, moist, etc. Now let us see some OI words in these sentences. Doily was sad. Doily was sad. I lost my coin. It went into the soil. I lost my coin. It went into the soil. Do not be sad. Come, join me for a treat of cake, said Scott. Do not be sad. Come, join me for a treat of cake, said Scott. Bring the cake in a foil. Bring the cake in a foil. It will not spoil in the foil. It will not spoil in the foil. Yummy. It will stay moist. Yummy. It will stay. Does it have oil? Does it have oil? I hope I do not get a boil, said Doily. I hope I do not get a boil, said Doily. So OI word will sound as oil, like we have foil, moist, oil, boil, etc. So friends, these are some OI words sounding as OI. If you like the video, then please like and share the video and do subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching the video and keep watching for more such videos. Thank you.